are going to look at how to design a home page, or what they call an index page in a website. So we are going to learn website designing today using an application or software called Microsoft Expression Web 4. So with that, we need to have our guiding tool that we are going to follow while developing our website. Remember, one of the things that you should do while developing your website is to carry out proper planning and always have a guiding tool, choice of colors and the layouts that you want. So sit down as I start. So now we are having this item whereby it is saying Tom Arts and Painters is one of the fastest growing companies that is located in Nyendo Town, Masaka. It deals in house painting, wall branding, embroidery, and customized labeling. Recently, it has been reaching out to its customers locally through posters, flyers, and banners. Of recent, the company owner expressed a concern of taking his company globally, and he has approached you for assistance. So that is the company that do the services as mentioned above, but they want to extend their services and to be known globally. So down there they have given you their motto, which is customer satisfaction is our guarantee. Then 2, vision is to be the leading art company in Uganda. Email is given, contact and the support file is also given. So make sure that when you're designing your website, you're having support the supporting material that will be having the images and the other important information that you may be in a need. So now we are having a task: design an online platform that will help the company reach out its goal. So now we are going to use our application called Microsoft Expression Web 4 to develop. So for now I'm going to develop my my index page, or what we call the home page, as here. So already I've installed my application and it looks like that. That is my application, it looks like that. So I'm going to start designing my website as I'm going to be doing it here. So from that I'm going to create a site. So you come to the tab site, then click on new site. So when you click on new site, you always say one page site. So we have some people who design using the templates, who design using the empty site, and they can use the imported wizard. But for us, we are going to use one page site. We shall build one site per site, and then we shall link them together. So from choosing one page site, here down specify the location of your new site. So when you're going to develop your website, please make sure that you give it a proper location where it's going to be found, the place. So here I'm going to click on browse. After clicking on browse, I'm going to say I want my folder on desktop. I create a folder there. I say home sample website. So all my site is going to be there. Say okay. Okay. So I've chosen one page site, and then I'm going to choose okay. And now the file has been created and the website has been the site has been created. So we are going to come under the default. I right click from there and I choose new from existing page. When I choose new from existing web page, so I'm going to get an titled website. Remember, our website must run using the HTML extension. So all websites must run in a browser, and the default file extension is the HTML. So there I'm going to start designing. Now I go back to question. The question is, Tom Arts and Painters is one of the fastest growing companies located in this and this. So when you look into this statement, you can clearly get the heading of your website that you're going to use. Now I'm going to say to come here. Then I'm going to start what? To start writing my title. So it is Tom Arts and Painters. So at times, if you have time, make sure that you limit the use of capital letters. Remember, when we are using capital letters, it is taken as if someone is not is shouting, so we need to use small letters mixed with capital letters. So if you have time, make sure that you minimize the use of capital letters. So the capital letters, I'm going to use them only on the heading, so others I'm going to be changing. So I need this one to be a heading, not a paragraph. So I'll just come here and I choose heading 1. I choose center. So let me go to other things, then I'm going to come back and I edit. Then I go down, I say location, I say Nyendo Masaka City. Then I move down, I go back to my location. It is saying Nyendo Masaka City, so I'm going to go to the email. Let me just copy it here. Email. Let me just copy it. I come here, say email us, then I paste our email here. Okay. Email us at gmail.com. Then I can come here and I write the mission. Oh yes, let me write the vision. Yes, I'm going to write the vision and the contact. Yes, vision and the contact. So I'm going to write here vision, then I write it, I say Agambye to be the leading art company in Uganda. To be, vision is going to open the quotes, be the leading art company in Uganda. Then I close my quotes. Then when I go back, we have contacts there. I will still come down. I say contact us. Contact. So I write the contacts 0704 051 816 stroke 0759 54 8826 or 0704 600 579. You see, things are moving on well. Well, when I come down here, these people are having their what? Their motto. So with the motto, I'm going to put it in a makwi. I'm going to give it a makwi. Remember, a motto, it could be one of the slogan that the company is using. So the makwi, it is that moving content. It can be a text, can be an image in a page. It is always moving either from right to left or from left to right. So I'm going to put my motto there. So from there I will come to say split. So I will split this and I go direct into the code. So I'm going to come here down and I write my code, which is going to open the tag and I say makwi, and I write there motto. I open the codes. So the motto was saying customer satisfaction is our priority. So the motto here will say customer satisfaction is our priority. Then I stop there. So I've added my makwi. I'll come back to the design view. I go still. So in case you have any other kind of information that you want to add, you can add your information there. In case you want to add an image, you can also add the image there. So from here, now you can say, let me add an image here. I will say insert, then you say picture and you choose from file. So from file, I'm going to choose one of the pictures and it is this, and I say insert. So it is going to come very big, what, so you always touch into the edges and make sure that you edit the size to the size that you wish. So you see it is becoming smaller, it is becoming smaller again, it is becoming smaller, again smaller. Okay, to be as a logo. Okay, so I'm there, I've gotten my picture. So now up next is me to determine the choice of the colors that I use. Can decide to draw the table here down, like for example I'll come down here and I say table insert, and then I say insert table. I'm going to say I need 2 columns and 5 rows. I can come to cell padding, I leave it to default. Then I come to borders, I give it size 1. The color, I can give it this color, and then the background color I can let it be normal, and then I say okay. I'm having my table here. It is all about me to make it smaller, what. So it's all about you. What you choose is what you do. I can say here service, and here I say price, and then here I can come and I say house painting. Here I can say 50,000 each room. Here I can say labeling, and here I can say 4,000 each shirt, and here I will say wall branding. So it depends on what you need. So wall branding, here I can say that one is 300,000, and then here I will say embroidery, and then I say that one is maybe 30,000. Well, so this is my table. So I can make it smaller according to the way I want it to be. Can make it a little bit smaller, and I can put it in the center. Sorry, I need to select it all and put it in the center. So I can decide to bold this, make it bold. So that is my table. Now let me design the things the way I like them. So with this, I'm going to increase on the size. This is a default size. I need something that is larger. Can stop it there. I can choose my customized size. Maybe I say 45 font. Alternatively, I can say 40 or 45. So that's the name, and this one still I can choose the size, and I say let it be large, and this one still let it be large. This one let it be large. One as well. This one let it be large. So with the McQueen, I'm going to leave it since I designed it using the splitting code. So now I can say maybe I want to give a background color of my choice, or I can choose even to change the font of this with the font. I'm going to come here to default, and I choose the font that I want. Maybe I need that Comic Sans. Then afterwards I'm going to give what we call background color. Can come to format background, so I can put a picture or a color, but for now I'm going to use a color. So I'm going to use the color here. If if I don't see any color that I want from there, I'm going to click on more colors and I choose the color that I want. So let me choose that color and I use it. Say okay. So that is the color that I need, and this one still I can go to colors and I choose the color that I need. Let me choose black, kind of black. I say apply, then use this one with the color. Let me choose kind of yellow, and then I say okay. So I can leave it like that. Still I come to this, I do the same. I come to this, I can change the color to this. Okay, sorry. Let me come here, I change the color to this. Okay, then I can still come to this and I also change the color still. Come to this, change the color. So any color that you wish to design, it is all about you to choose that kind of color that you want to use. So when I finish, I can decide this one also to choose the color of my choice. I can say let me give these things font color of let me leave them in black, and then I choose background color that is somehow lighter. I may also choose that have this. Then I say okay. So now this is my page. You can choose to design everything. In case you want to insert images, please insert those images and use them in a better way. So after that you are going to save your page. Whereby right click on this word untitled and choose save. So here it is going to be saved as what you can say. Let me choose save as homepage.html. And then you say okay, and then you say okay. So the page has been saved, and you are going to verify in the browser, and you will see. So when I check here in my on my desktop, remember I gave it sample website, so the folder is there. When I check it, I have my home page there. Let me try to open it, and I see. Let me try to open it, and I see whether it has been working. So make sure that you have the good choice of colors that you are using, and make sure that things you do them when they are planned. When you don't plan, you make yourself spending more time on one item that would have been completed very soon. So this is the first page. We are going to design another page. See, that's my page. The name is there, the marquee is there, it is moving, my table is there, everything is there, it is moving. So this is a website page. It is running using Chrome, and when I try to inspect my page, my page, you are going to see. So here are the codes that I've used, and the context is there.